So hi there, this is GS from Technofest 2017, and videography have recently, evolved to a whole new level. On one hand, we have cameras that are like small, compact, but record up to 1080p or at most, 1080p. Okay? And then we have cameras that can record up to 8K. That's like how much is it? Like 16 times of 1080p. And that costs approximate, we can say, a lot more. You can have a camera of 1080p for approximate, I don't know, 200 bucks, $200. But in INR, you can say, you can have that thing started from 9 to 10,000 rupees. Okay. Then we have the red cameras, which can record up to 8K, 60 FPS. Insane. Starting cost of 50,000, you can say, of 8K. You can have 4K, 4.5K and other stuff. And a lot of YouTubers, as you might have seen, are using like 8K, Epic W, Dragon, Raven, those high-end cameras. Some you can say some also are using that GH4, Canon D Mark IV for 4K, right, which is efficient. Alright, and with the camera you also need to have something, you can say, a sort of bridge for a screen, flashlight, microphone, and for a place to actually hold your camera. Just these things can literally weigh a lot. And the thing that you are looking right now is all in a compact action camera, which is, you can say, a rip-off of GoPro, but so the stuff, it records in 4K and a lot better, and even the voice you can record in it. Alright, so today we're just going to make a small, you can say, a DIY camera rig in which you can install your camera as well as your cell phone, which can take up to a full-size DSLR. Not the 5D Mark IV because it's kinda heavy, but you can get away with it. And for that we have to, take you to DIY GS. Okay? Ciao. Hey DIY GS. I'll leave the video of mine here. Alright. So hi there. So today we're going to make a DIY rig out of PVC pipe, few bolts, torque wrenches, and So camera equipment recently have seen drastic change. You can have a Steadicam or a camera rig or PU, or you can have a shoulder mount, right? You can have all sort of things. But the best one, if you're on a budget or you're just a tinkerer, is DIY. Okay? You will have a lot of different options to play around. You can make it as cheap as possible or as best as possible, and you can customize it, paint it as for your choice. Right? So now I'm going to take the time lapse mode, and here we go.
So here are the parts that you need.
And alternatively, you could use a GoPro mount, as you can see over here, and which will take some time, as you can say, as a second mount for either light or just cell phone. Have this here, and you could actually mount like a small extension here so that you can mount the cell phone here. Alright, this one like here, and then flashlight, your light here, so that you will have your camera here, your cell phone or monitor, field monitor here, and your light here. It will be a lot better. So this is the end product. You can have everything mounted just on this one cage. Here, here, here. If you have something like a clamp or here, like this, and then you can use it either by two hands. That will give you a smooth shot, as you will. Then you can have like a 3-point connection. So two hands and then your chest. Okay. Then you can have like here and here. That will have like 4 points. That will be more stable by fishing. Okay. So we will come back with you can say a follow-up of this, in which I will try to make it a shoulder mount. So it can come up to here easily, no issue. So once converted into shoulder mount, main thing, viewer protein. That's it. Like, share, subscribe and comment for my messages. Bye.